Welcome, everybody. It has been a fantastic day. So far, at least, we have a few clouds moving over, and there's Jackson Hole. We woke up, though, earlier today. Look at that. Blue sky surrounded us. Nice weather for most of the day, in fact. And this is around the Oil City. Pick out your location if you live there. And zooming out across the nation, we have this ridge that is formed over us. And on the top of that ridge, we get small disturbances coming in from the west-northwest, and they are going to be able to produce a few showers and storms. So our next wave will move over us going into tomorrow, and that could kick up an isolated severe storm even. See out here, though, into the afternoon, a couple of them flaring up, have a few showers over towards Yellowstone. And again, we could have one even later on today. There's some of those puffy cumulus clouds. So under the ridge, which means warm temperatures. In fact, we'll warm up even more this weekend. The storm chances are primarily today through Thursday, maybe even lingering into Friday. There is some uncertainty with the length of time it will linger. But once it clears out and most of the weekend is dry, it's going to be hot and there will be a fire threat. So any wildfires that form could rapidly spread. We'll kind of keep an eye on that. But for tomorrow, those storms, they could produce some large hail, an inch in diameter, and maybe some gusty winds out of those as well. Notice the winds increase on Sunday, again, bringing in slightly higher fire concerns. So a marginal risk is the severe threat. It's for an isolated severe storm. It's almost exclusively for hail as these storms develop off to the west and move east throughout the course of the afternoon and evening. And a general thunderstorm chance, again, is still possible on Thursday. Again, get small disturbances riding the ridge. Ridge riders. So here we are into the evening on our Wednesday. Boom, there we get hit. Moves over Rapid City. A little less or more sparse down to our south. And so we picked that up on the computer model. So it doesn't have the best idea of exactly where these storms will form. So take it with a grain of salt. All these could kind of shift a bit. But the bottom line is underneath some of those storms as they quickly move by, maybe up to around 0.6 of an inch. So it is a higher chance. Especially as you get over towards the Bighorn Mountains, could have a little bit higher chance. So Sheridan at 53, Gillette 56. How about our friends in Cody? 54 degrees waking up Wednesday morning. Then warming up 80 in KC, Thermopolis 83, Worland 85, Gillette 81, Rapid City at 80, Torrington tucked away down there. You're also in the 80s. Muddy Gap at 85. And then into the day Wednesday, we're again upper 70s, low 80s. 82 here, 88 Friday. We got 90s on the board Saturday.